In my previous video, I bought my brother his dream gaming laptop, where I didn't show his reaction when he saw it. He has been wanting this laptop for such a long time, and now he finally has it. The excitement he feels now that it is in his hands is almost overwhelming, as if a dream has just come true. With his powerful performance and sleek design, he can't wait to dive into his projects, play the latest games, and stay connected with friends, sharing experiences and ideas effortlessly. This laptop is not just a device for him. It represents a culmination of his hard work and determination throughout the years. The countless late nights spent studying and the dedication he has shown in pursuing his passions have all led to this moment. He is eager to put it to good use, confident that it will enhance his creativity and productivity, opening up new possibilities he had only imagined before.
1 week later.
Hey, so be honest, is it lagging? How is the laptop treating you?
Alright, but I do notice that it tends to lag, especially when I'm using the high settings. Despite these issues, I still have a strong affection for it because the graphics still looks good and its game performance are quite a little okay. So well, it makes a lot of enchanting to me, and I appreciate what it offers too.
That's great. However, I can hear the fan running quite loudly, but I think that's probably normal for this type of device. The sound might just be part of its operation, especially when it's working hard. Many gadgets have fans that kick in to keep everything cool, which is a good sign that it's functioning correctly. It's always a little surprising when you notice those noises, but as long as everything is working well, there shouldn't be anything to worry about. I can also see that the FPS is hitting between 90 and 120, which is impressive for gaming and demanding applications. This performance level ensures smooth gameplay and an overall responsive experience. But regardless of the numbers, I truly believe you will love this laptop. It offers not just great performance, but also a sleek design and a variety of features that cater to both casual users and serious gamers alike. With its powerful hardware and user-friendly interface, this laptop can meet your needs, whether you're working on a project, enjoying multimedia, or diving into your favorite games. If you would like to know more details about this laptop, please check out my first video. In that video, I cover all the important specifications, features, and my personal opinions on its performance. I really delve into what makes this laptop stand out from the competition, and I also discuss how it holds up under various tasks, whether for work or play. I think you'll find it quite informative and helpful in deciding if this is the right choice for you. Your feedback is always welcome, so don't hesitate to let me know your thoughts. If I could change one thing about this laptop, what would it be?